A legendary Halloween party really needs just one thing, a killer snack spread. So whether you're hosting or heading to a party, we've got homemade Halloween treats that are equal parts trick and treat. Our cute Studio 5 food editor, Maddy Tolman, has 4 frightfully easy treats for any Halloween party. The goal here, you said, was simple.
So simple. When we go simple with our treats, it kind of makes more room for memories. Like we can pull the kids in, we can pull the grandkids in and let them in on the fun. So the goal here is simple, easy, cute.
Great point, because they're involved, first of all, and mom is lighter because I didn't have to dirty a whole kitchen to get it done.
And these are the treats that they'll want to eat and make too.
All right, what's first?
Okay, we're gonna start with pizza skulls.
These are cool.
They are so cool. So I'm gonna rip one open because it's even cooler when you see their cheesy mouth.
Hold on, wait.
We got a camera. We ready? And it like makes us cheesy like skull jaw opening. I think it's so cool.
How do you do this?
So we've got this is just crescent dough. I chose the sheets because some foodie friend taught us this the other day and it changed my life.
Stuck with you.
So
you'll be surprised how often this show changes your life. Like people are in your head all day long. It's the best. It's the best.
Okay, so we've got our crescent dough here.
Yeah.
We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce.
And this is a mold.
Yes. This is from Walmart. It was seriously, I wanna say like 15 bucks. You can find them on Amazon too. It's just, you have to make sure it's safe in the oven and spray it before you put your dough in.
Okay.
Tablespoon of pizza sauce. And this is where it gets so
Gravity takes over and that's okay.
That's okay. We're gonna pinch it all up in the end so it'll be okay if it doesn't look super pretty while you're creating. Then a little drizzle of cheese, sprinkle in there.
That looks like a pizza pocket.
Yeah, kind of like more of a calzone.
Yeah.
Layer with your pepperoni. You could go crazy if you want different fillings, like put some sausage in there, put some fancy cheese.
But the mouth effect, that was the sauce and the pepperoni coming out.
And then basil, Italian seasoning, whatever you want. Add a little flair on top to make it extra fresh.
How do we fold?
Then we just pinch.
Pinch.
Like seal it up.
Okay.
It's okay if it like isn't perfect looking on the backside.
Okay.
Because you're only gonna see the front before it
and then kind
goes
of
in your
just
mouth.
smush it in there?
Smush it in there. It'll puff up a little bit while it bakes. You just want to make sure all that pizza sauce is nice
I'm impressed
and sealed.
it takes that shape because it took the like the demarcation and the indents of the eyes really well.
And even like their teeth, you can faintly
cool.
tell too.
All right, we need to link that Walmart thing for the people.
We'll link that.
All right, what's next?
Number 2 is our pretzel spider webs. So,
cute.
They're darling and they're good because it's just chocolate covered pretzels too.
Salty and sweet.
So we've got our pretzels here. I like to break them in half because I don't know if these are just freakishly long pretzels, but
they were too much.
They were too much when they were full size.
Okay.
So put about 3-4 pretzels in there. And then this is what I found to be the easiest way to do it. So I've got melted white chocolate in like a ketchup bottle here.
I'm going for perfect spider web. Sorry, don't mind my OCD
you
at work.
perfectionist. Then we're gonna drizzle it, make sure it's to the top.
You just heated up melting chocolate?
Heated up some melting chocolate. We'll see if it squeezes
That
out
has
here.
now solidified under our TV
now
light.
solidified.
Sorry.
We're gonna grab this guy. And then drizzle. You drizzle a little bit in the middle.
But you like the squirt bottle when it cooperates.
I do like the squirt bottle. And then you go around. Squirt bottle's easier because your spoon kind of tends to lose some steam here.
Sure.
But
look at that.
Around and around. Let it harden and then grab some sprinkles if you want. Put it on top.
Yeah.
Same with, this I'm obsessed with too.
What is
Edible
this?
glitter.
Oh yeah.
Have you heard of this?
How fun.
So fun. So sprinkle that on whatever too. I've done that with some of the other treats here as well.
Yeah.
I'll show you through.
Cute. Put it in the fridge or?
Put it in the fridge or the freezer if you want that busy girl hack.
Okay. What's happening down front?
Monster popcorn balls. I've never made popcorn balls ever in my life. It seems like a grandma treat to me, but I'm totally for it. So make your popcorn balls.
Welcome to the grandma club.
Thank you. And I separated, so when you get your marshmallow corn syrup mixture, separate that, and then you can food dye to create whatever colors you want, and then just popcorn ball. Put some sprinkles in there. I think the eyeballs are so cute too. Those are just from like the Smith's sprinkle section as well.
Little monster balls.
So
okay,
cute.
1 minute left, one more treat. These are easy and simple. Good job.
So easy. Okay, these last ones. Skeleton strawberry skulls is what I'm gonna call them. So with this one, I feel like I could have done a little bit bigger of a mold here too. Just a heads up.
Okay. A heads up.
You wanna go for a smaller strawberry. The smaller works better for this like smaller mold. You skewer it. We're gonna dip it in the white chocolate.
Okay.
And then all you do is stick it in that mold.
Oh, and the chocolate forms.
Chocolate forms to make a little skeleton head.
Just on the front of the strawberry.
Yeah.
You're right, the smaller the strawberry, the
Smaller
better.
the strawberry, the better.
Which works against our natural instinct, but that's fine.
Right.
Maddie's so cute. And you got this at?
This is Amazon too.
Amazon. Awesome. We'll link all of the molds and the products that we shared or used today and the ideas we share online. Really fun. Thank you so much. 4 great Halloween treats. Pick one or pick them all.